Here's a quick tutorial on how to refresh your makeup and add a glamorous glow for the evening. My model is the gorgeous Georgia Toffolo, who's been wearing her natural daytime look. So I'm refreshing it using Olive & Beauty's Instant Perfector. Just a little bit of concealer underneath the eye can instantly wake up a tired complexion. Now I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Sunset Rose. These cream shadows have got to be the easiest way to add instant glamour to your look. I use one brush to apply it to the lid and a clean brush to just blend out the edges. They are literally foolproof. I'm going to use a smudger brush to bring the color around underneath Georgia's eye. And this is a look that you guys can easily recreate at home. To amp up the glow, I'm using some of my Dior highlighting palette with this beautiful soft pink tone. I'm defining Georgia's lip shape with a creamy lip liner by Oma Beauty and then scribbling it all over the lips. This will prolong the wear of your lipstick and create a beautiful base. I'm now using a glossy, gorgeous pink lipstick by Code 8 Beauty. To finish our quick glow up, I'm adding a little bit more of the Dior highlighting palette just on the top of the cheekbones. And because Georgia's got her limbs out this evening, we're going to add a little bit of the Olive & Beauty Color Shield for Body to give her a gorgeous glow from head to toe.